No skills, no degree, no experience. What if I told you that in 2026, that's no longer an excuse? Right now, there are teenagers using AI to run marketing agencies, college students publishing AI-written books, complete beginners building online income streams using tools that cost less than your Netflix subscription. And the crazy part? Most of them didn't learn skills first. They used AI as the skill. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how someone with zero technical background can start making money using AI in finance, tech, and online business, step by step. No hype, no guru nonsense, just practical execution. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understand the new leverage. Here's the shift most people don't get. AI is not here to replace skilled people. It's here to give unskilled people leverage. In the past, if you wanted to build a website, you needed coding. Run ads, you needed marketing knowledge. Write content, you needed copywriting skills. Analyze stocks, you needed financial expertise. Now, AI can build the website, write the copy, generate ad creatives, analyze financial data, automate workflows. Your job isn't to be skilled. Your job is to direct AI properly. That's it. And direction is easier to learn than mastery. Step 2. Pick a simple AI money model. Let me give you 4 beginner-friendly paths that require almost zero experience. 1. AI content monetization. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to write YouTube scripts, create blog posts, generate newsletter content, repurpose viral tweets. Then monetize through YouTube ads, affiliate links, newsletter sponsorships, digital products. You don't need to be creative. You need to be consistent. Example. Pick one niche: AI tools, personal finance, crypto news, productivity. Ask AI to summarize trends daily. Turn summaries into short-form content. Post daily. Speed beats perfection. 2. AI service arbitrage. No-skill agency model. This one is powerful. Businesses need websites, ad copy, SEO content, social media posts, product descriptions. You use AI to produce it. They pay you as if you did it manually. Example. A local dentist needs Instagram posts. You charge $500 per month. AI generates the captions, ideas, and designs. You spend maybe 3 to 4 hours per month managing it. You're not selling your skill. You're selling a solution powered by AI. And most small businesses don't care how it's made. They care that it works. 3. AI plus finance equals information arbitrage. This is where it gets interesting. AI can summarize earnings reports, track macroeconomic news, scan Reddit sentiment, analyze crypto trends, break down CC filings. You can package this into a paid newsletter, a Discord group, a daily market recap channel, a premium Substack. You're not claiming to be a hedge fund manager. You're curating, simplifying, and delivering insights faster than others. Speed plus clarity equals value. 4. AI digital products. You can use AI to create ebooks, trading journals, budget templates, Notion dashboards, prompt packs, AI tool directories. Build once, sell forever. Example. AI prompts for real estate agents, crypto research cheat sheets, beginner budget OS template. AI helps you build the asset. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Shopify handle payments. This is scalable. But here's the truth no one tells you.